Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy G. Just wanted to show you guys I have my Arlen Ness mini oval mirrors here for my Indian Challenger with the Torch Industry bars. I thought I'm gonna switch these out because I do not like the stock mirrors that look like Mickey Mouse ears. So let's go ahead and install these babies and see how they look like on my bike.
Run.
So we are on the bike. Here are the stock mirrors, which look totally hideous. Don't like the look at all. And then just in comparison, so you see how much smaller these are. They're much smaller. Yeah, now I'm thinking if I should put them in this way on top, or maybe play around and put them in this way, you know, so we will see. So what we're gonna do first, let's try the normal way and I'll play around with it. So let's take this mirror off here first. Let's grab some tools and take this off. So installation is pretty simple. You take one mirror out, and the Arlen Ness mirrors come with adapters. So we got one here and a big one here. You want to take the one that's on top. Let's do a fitment check here. Yep, this fits fine. It's gonna screw in like this and the mirror goes in here. So let's do that first. All right, we got this part screwed in here. Let's get this focus in. Here we go. Now we're gonna put this into the housing. All right, installation is super simple. On the left side now, so you can see the difference. You're gonna have the stock mirrors, and on the right side the smaller ones. Now you can adjust the height of these. You can make them a little lower or a little higher. See with the nut right here, and pretty stable. They won't move, they won't budge, but the mirror part is adjustable, so you can kind of tilt it the way you want it. So I'm gonna play around with it and adjust this to, you know, a good height for me. So let's go and do that first. All right, this side is adjusted. So let's go ahead and do the other side and see how that looks like. So same thing here, you want to screw these in and then do the left side the same way you did the right side, or vice versa. All right, so I'm sitting in front of the bike, and I gotta say these mirrors feel very, very solid. You know, I don't think they're gonna be vibrating or shaking or anything like this, but we're gonna take it on the road and check it out. Yes, I might have to wipe them off, but just looking, I think the left side is a little high, so I'm gonna bring this down just a little and then screw the bolts tight and stuff, the nuts, and then we'll take it for a spin and I'll see how that works. Alright, this took me literally 5 minutes to do. Installation is super easy, and I want to point something out. I love the finish. You know, it matches the Challenger Dark Horse colors perfectly. It's not a gloss finish, it's a nice matte finish on these mirrors, and the adjustments are very solid. There is nothing loose or anything. I'm pretty sure and comfortable and confident to say that if I go on the road they won't be shaking or vibrating. Are they much smaller? Yes, they are, but you get used to this, you know, like on my custom Yamaha Roadster Warrior that I used to have. I had even smaller mirrors, and you just get used to them after some time. But this looks very good. It's the Arlen Ness logo. They look sweet, man. So I would say let's go ahead and take it for a ride and see how they are on the road. Alright guys, what's up? It's your boy G. So I'm standing right in front of my bike with the new Arlen Ness mirrors installed. As you can see, they look pretty dope. Nice low profile. Here's the front view. So they kinda, like, when you are a little further away, you can see that they just stick out just above the fairing when you ride. And speaking of riding, I would say let's go and take the bike for a spin and see if they vibrate or shake or anything like that, alright? So as you guys can see, when I'm sitting on the bike, when with low profile mirrors, most of the time, or a lot of times, you have the issue that when you grab your grips, you can accidentally touch the mirrors, which is not the case in these, you know. I can just grab them. There is enough room here between my fingers and the mirrors. Let's make a quick U-turn here, and then let's go take a ride. So you're gonna do some low speed tests here. So right now I'm at 20 miles an hour, no shaking, no vibrating at all. Let's go to 30 miles an hour. Nothing is shaking, nothing is vibrating. You can see me clearly. Let's move it up a little. Now I'm at 40 and they're stable. These mirrors, I got these mirrors from revzilla.com. They're for the Indian Challenger, 2020 Indian Challenger. They're called the Arlen Ness mini ovals. They were about $79. And I got these babies around 3 days after I placed my order. So alright, so now we can open it up a little bit. I don't see any vibrations. We're going 60 miles already and they look good. I'm going already 80 miles. Look, 80 miles an hour. And they are fine. At 80, I think when I just revved it down a little, I saw some very minimal vibration, way less than on the stock mirrors. Yeah, they are good, man. And I see everything clearly because they are long. They may be low profile, but they are long, so I see the whole road. On the left mirror, I see all 3 lanes behind me, the middle, the left, and the right lane. On the right one, since I have it positioned a little bit further out to the right, I see the lane behind me and the right lane. So that's pretty good. Pretty good. And I'm going 70 miles an hour and they are not vibrating or shaking. Look at that, 70 miles an hour and they are solid, completely solid. I don't know if you guys can see this, I hope you guys can. No vibration or shaking whatsoever. Sweet, that's exactly what I expected. Arlen Ness does really good products, and I'm glad they made something here that also fits the Indian Challenger. In my case, the Indian Challenger Dark Horse, which there is no difference if you buy these for the Challenger Dark Horse or the Limited or the regular Indian Challenger. Yeah, man, love these mirrors, bro. They look dope. See, I'm downshifting and everything, and these mirrors are standing still. Oh, that's a nice car over there, bro. Nice little Lambo. So I'm standing right now and I can see the cars in the middle lane in the back of me perfectly fine. Both cars, I see both cars. look to the left mirror, I see all the traffic that is approaching. Really nice. Put the windshield up so you guys can enjoy the exhaust a little bit, and my mirrors. But in order to help with the wind noise, I'm gonna have the windshield up a little. Maybe we can punch it. There's cars in front of us. Can't really punch it like that. Yeah, no, mirrors are great, man. I love them. Miles an hour, just like that. Woo! Love the Challenger, and I love my mirrors too. Challenger 2020 Indian Challenger, and I hope you guys like this video. If it's your first time here and you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. It's your boy G. Ride safe.